Ooh, look at that bison snoozing so peacefully over there. And yet, for some silly reason, I just feel like sneaking over and bothering him a little. This spot is perfect. I can hide here safely from the bison, and he'll have no idea where I went.
Huh. I was sure somebody kept poking and disturbing me, but when I look around, there's absolutely nobody here.
Wow, this silly bison still didn't notice me hiding, so that means I can go ahead and tease him all over again.
Someone is definitely bothering me on purpose, and I really want to find out exactly who that is. Aha! So it was you making trouble for me, and now that I've caught you, I'm going to give you a little trouble back.
Ha ha! You'll never catch me, Mr. Bison. I'm way too quick for you.
Oh, yes, I can. No matter what you say, I'm going to catch you today.
Why do you look so frightened and out of breath? What in the world happened to you?
There's a bison running after me like crazy, and from my side, it really feels like it's for no good reason at all.
Hey, Bison, why are you chasing him around like that if you don't have a good reason?
No reason, really? I was just sleeping quietly under a tree, and this pig kept bugging me over and over. That's exactly why I'm upset.
Don't behave like that. You should never tease someone over and over. Now be polite and tell him you're sorry, okay?
Okay, big guy, you're right. I'm really, really sorry for acting so wild and bothering you like that.
Oh, it's all right. Just don't do that again. And now that we've made up, let's share these yummy fruits together.